how to buy Monkey, the Wise Monkey token on Gate.io. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, go and open it on CoinMarketCap and go and click on markets. After that, as you can see, you will see the Gate.io option and click here on the pair. After that, you will be able to access to your account and make sure you log into your accounts. After that, what you need to do, select the option buy, and you have two options here, the limit and market. For the limit, just set the price that you want to buy with, or the amounts, or I prefer to enter the amount that you want to buy with the Monkey, as you can see. So I don't have a fund on my account, so I can't be able to enter how much I want to buy with Monkey. So for you, or you can just drag this and you will see here the total, how much you will pay of USDT, and click on buy Monkey. Now in the market, you just set how much you want to buy, the amount, how much you want to buy on your funds, like in USDT, and after that click on buy and you will buy the Monkey. So this is how to buy Monkey on Gate.io. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.